Cut the straw into a 1-inch long piece. Using a needle nose plier, clamp the one end hole of the straw. Ensure that the straw is barely sticking out of the needle nose pliers. Seal the hole by melting it using a lighter. Repeat the steps and create another straw. Using wire cutters, take a paperclip and cut it to 1 inch. Shape the 1-inch paperclip into a hook. Using a real hook might be dangerous for children. Using sticky tack, stick the hook onto another paperclip. Now, slide the paperclip into the straws. Test if the hook and straw floats by placing it in a glass of water. If it floats, place the hook in the bottle with full water. Screw on the bottle cap tightly and squeeze the bottle to make the straw sink and stop squeezing to make the straw rise. This is a fun way to teach kids about density, impacts of density on making objects float and sink. Squeezing the bottle forces the water up into the straw and compresses the air in the straw as well. This causes the straw to become more dense and therefore sink. When the bottle is released, the pressure lessens and the water moves back out of the straw. This causes the straw to become less dense and therefore float back up to the top of the bottle. This straw contains an air bubble sealed inside. Without squeezing the bottle, the overall density of the straw is slightly lower than that of the water, so it floats. When you squeeze the sides of the bottle, you increase the pressure on the air bubble, compressing it into a smaller space. This decrease in volume of the bubble causes an increase in the overall density of the straw. When it becomes greater than that of the surrounding water, it sinks. Releasing the pressure by releasing the bottle from your grip allows the air bubble to expand back to its normal size, and the straw floats again. Human divers use weights to increase their density when diving, but submarines have tanks of compressed air on board to help control their buoyancy. Surrounding the submarine are a number of ballast tanks, which when filled with water, increase the overall density of the submarine and it dives. But when the submarine needs to rise to the surface, the water in these large ballast tanks is replaced with air from the compressed air tanks.